Welcome to Flange Wizard, welder's choice for quality since 1981. All Flange Wizard tools are proudly made in the USA. Recently, I did a video on the Circle Wiz. The Circle Wiz is a great tool that fits any conventional torch tip, and you can cut from 5/8 inch to 8-inch circles. In this video, I'm going to talk about its counterpart called the Plasma Wiz. The Plasma Wiz 2 will cut from 5/8 inch to 8-inch circles. It'll fit any plasma torch with the proper bushing setup. We also have created a great kit where you can get the Plasma Wiz along with several other popular Flange Wizard tools. So let's go ahead and get started on the Plasma Wiz. So now I've taken the Plasma Wiz out of the package so you can see it. I've attached the blocks to this hex shaft. Now you can move that block up and down the hex shaft for the different sizes that you need to cut. You also have your bent pivot pin here that you can adjust up or down or swivel it around in different positions to accommodate the cutting that you need to use. The main difference, of course, is the head. Plasma heads, the cup size of the different torches that are in the market are different. And so what we found is we have 4 different bushing sizes that you can order to accommodate what we see in the marketplace today. If you happen to have one of these tools and you need to change this bushing out for it to match up to the torch that you do have, it's really easy. So if you flip it over on the other side, you're going to see that little snap ring right there. And I'm going to take that snap ring off. Once you take that snap ring off, just slips right out and you're ready to switch to a different bushing. And then when you're ready to put the new one in, just slide it in the hole there. Take your snap ring, slide it back onto the groove, and you're ready to go. I'll go ahead and attach the torch now so you can see it with the torch in it. Here I've attached the Plasma Wiz to the plasma cup. So you just slide that bushing up and down where it's going to best accommodate for the cutting that you need to do. A lot of times the cup has a nice bit of surface area for you to move it up and down depending on your need. So in this case right here, I've got it tightened onto the cup. I've got my block and my pivot pin. You set it where you need to. Same thing goes for whatever size hole you have. You want to go from the point of your pivot pin to the center of your plasma, and that will be your radius for the full diameter that you need to cut.
He reaches underneath the torch. That way when he comes all the way around, he'll finish out completely on his circle. And I think he's ready. Nice and smooth. Nice and steady. And this little tool will do from about a 5/8 up to an 8-inch circle. And it's as simple as that.
So now we've opened up the little Plasma Wiz case, part number 8915-P. You got this nice lockable polypropylene case, padded, so you can keep your tools nice when not in use, in your shop, or in the truck in the field. We're going to remove this padding back here. And you can see we start off with this Flange Wizard catalog, so you can check out all your favorite Flange Wizard tools made in the USA. Nice little addition here. We have the vial repair kit. So if you accidentally break a vial on one of your tools, easy and quick to remove. Put the new one in, snap it in, and re-silicone it. You're back in business. Nice little addition. Then you have your actual Plasma Wiz right here. Whenever you order this kit or any of the plasma guides that Flange Wizard makes, you always want to specify the bushing size. So when you order this kit right here, it would be 8915-P- the bushing size, and I will show you what that looks like next. Then next we have the L2 inspection level with the very strong magnets on the bottom, laser engraved angle finder at 2.5 degrees, and your replaceable vial. Right here we have the very popular magnetic tape measure holder. Again, a very strong base with a level on it. And on this one side here, you have a magnetic tip so you can take your tape measure, attach it, and if you're by yourself, walk across the shop holding that tape. It's very strong. Then we have the small centering head right here with the magnetic legs, so you can put it anywhere on the circumference and it will hold onto your pipe. You have your laser engraved dial right here to find angles at 2.5 degrees. And then you have your hardened centering punch with the new safety tip head. So you just got a bigger, broader striking area whenever you need to make your mark on pipe. Very popular case, Lil Plasma Wiz, part number 8915-P.